so popular. Girl, I go hate you, but man, I feel love.
You know, it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate. Hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. And people, don't forget to check out my merch store. You can do so by visiting teespring.com/stores/ChaddyMoreTV. So that's teespring.com/stores/ChaddyMoreTV. People, me know I'm happy because today is Friday and most definitely I'm happy as well. Even though we kind of have some sad news to share with you because New York-based comedian Majah has now been arrested. Yes, people, Majah is in custody. But before we talk about that topic and other topics that we have to cover, let's vibe to Vibes Cartel and his son Little Addy new song entitled Popular.
Baby, you're so popular. Girl, I go hate you, but man, I feel love. Everybody like your picture.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
So people, Kirby put Majah behind the bars. Yo, Jano Star, it don't look good. So me I go give you a little recap in case some people don't really remember what happened between Kirby and Majah. So it goes like this. Kirby found on her live and said Majah beat her.
And if me leaving because I'm being abused means that I don't love you, then so be it.
The next day, Kirby found on her next live and said Majah vexed because Kirby quote unquote exposed Majah as a woman beater. Him get vexed now and release her sex tape.
After everything that I said, instead, you release a sex tape of me and are sending it all over the place, all over the world, a sex tape of me from 10 years ago.
No Majah forward on the internet a ball, I do all kind of something a ball and I say, yo, him never do that. And him did actually get molested as a child.
I was molested as a child.
After that live now, a series, a sex tape release with Kirby not holding back anything. You see me? Let's say she did go good school cause I read good. Now we are learned say Majah is now behind the bars. So apparently Kirby did actually put him a prison or put him a jail, I should say. You know, file them call police and do them legal thing and what them have to do and them thing there. The charges laid against Majah is 1 count of felony kidnapping, 1 count of misdemeanor simple battery, 1 count of felony terroristic threats, and his bail bond has been set at $16,720 Now, how me know that now? Bobsy, strictly Bobsy, yeah, she is a vlogger as well. She is a close friend of Kirby, I should think. I see them link good. And during this saga, a lot of information was filtering through Bobsy's page. So, more than think say it credible and everything is legit. Cause she no post foolish. Now, that's the caption she made under a photograph which I don't know what paper is this now, but it look like some form of legal document or some form of notice, or this is just the paperwork for the lock up the bail something. And yo people, me not too know about them something because me a liar. But when we examine this piece of artwork, we get to understand say Majah tattoo Kirby name on his arm. Now, oh, this brother did a go on like him tough on them thing there and a tattoo in woman name pan him. Now, people, to each his own. Me nah say you can't tattoo your woman name pan your hand. But for a relationship like that was so toxic, brother. And all I things them we come talk on the internet. If them true, you really go low. And people, how me know if you take a look, Just take a look right there. Me I go zoom it in on the screen. It's a feature type and under visible scars and mark. So feature type, tat left arm, him have a portrait, music notes and a zipper. Top left hand, praying to God, praying hand, God bless. And then hold on, let me zoom it up. Tat right arm, him have Kirby, and tat left hand, him have Majah hype. No, right hand, him have Majah hype. Jano Star, Majah hype. I don't know, you know, to each his own. To each his own. Me I hope say everything work out for you. And then again, yo, I don't even know what to say. Me I just leave my comments them to myself. But I want hear phone comment. You see me? So put phone comment in the comment section. Oh, and the next piece of information we learned from this document is Majah Hype was born in New York. Because it kind of puzzling to me. When the information them did just a follow the road, me the thing say, cause originally me the thing say Majah Hype did come from Jamaica, and him just live a foreigner or whatever. Then we get to understand say he's Guyanese, and now we get to understand say him actually born in New York. You see me? So yeah, according to this, him born in New York. So people, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're moving on. Buju Banton charity program, Buju Banton Foundation, cannot be registered legally on Channel Star. It hurt. So Buju Banton took it to Instagram to vent. I know say Buju a Rasta, so him not gonna really vent in a no derogative way. You see me, them man they vent some decent way and a style. Buju Banton upload the denial form that I think that I waited a call. Anyway, him upload a piece of paper stating said the foundation cannot be registered because he was convicted in 2011 of, you know, the drug trafficking charge them and where Buju got jail for already. We not have to go into that. You see me? So Buju Banton uploaded that photograph with the caption, "I bet I am way more honest than all of these fools put together." What do you think about that? Me agree with Buju. I mean, we love Buju and we know say Buju make a mistake, but a human is a human. We are gonna make mistake. You see that person there we deny the request, them good and beat them wife. Or if it's a female, she good lay all a gear man bun. No, people don't say Chaddy, what that have to do with nothing. Me just assure you say people not perfect and we do make mistakes in life. So when I see a man a forward now and I try to correct him mistake, allow him to correct him mistake now. Allow him to correct him mistake. Then again, there's two ways to this situation because I'm sure this law was put in case we say probably no convict or anybody where they got jail or not jail but prison. Then probably can't start a legal registered charity like that because we know what thing go. People we rob up the charity. I rob up people money. You feel like you give for good and you end up not give for good. But when I see a man like Buju Banton where we don't care where Buju Banton do, Buju Banton is still an ambassador for Jamaica and a good Buju Banton a do. We sure say Buju Banton a do good. Some farmer waiver supposed to can go on. Cause right now them a stifle some pitney or them a stifle somebody where Buju Banton did a go do things for charity things and them thing there. Because remember, you know, him a collect a charity, him not collect it for himself. Him not collect it for Marcus. You see me? Him not collect it for him pitney them. Him a collect it for the people of Jamaica. So, me feel like say some law can waiver. And come on, man. No found in a politics, no found in a God knows. When you're a criminal, man, I'm not going to say all I want, but no found a criminal. Don't forget the light bulb saga. Anyway, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My God.